Hey, everybody. You know what time it is? It's time for us to once again check in on the Skeptic Feminist murder trial because today is the day that they were supposed to have a makeup hearing for the hearing where Alexander Kolpakov entered his not guilty plea to the wrong judge because it was a fill in judge because the real judge didn't show up to court that day. And you have to use the same judge for the entire process. So today, the real judge was going to be there to accept the not guilty plea and set the dates for the next hearing. And we were hoping that it would be the trial, but it's not the case. So we go to the Mesa County court docket and we put in Kolpakov's name because he's the only one on trial for murder in Mesa County. We show docket and look down here, and it is September 10th, 2018, at 1 p.m. for 4 hours. That's the entire afternoon. We will have a motions hearing for the case against Alexander Kolpakov for murdering his girlfriend, Heather Annabelle. And it's not going to be the way that it has been in the past, where I have gone all the way down there to just find like an entire courtroom full of other people facing charges, and then they wait till the very end of everyone else having their stuff heard, and then I see like 4 minutes of action on the case that we all want to know about. No, this is going to be 4 hours of motions on this case, and it could be things that really shape the rest of the trial, such as they could try to bar Alexander from using the defense that Heather was partially responsible for her own death because she gave him the drugs that intoxicated him. They could ask the judge to put down the gavel and say, no, you are barred from doing that sort of defense. And also, Alexander could have his defense lawyer say, "Hey, we thought that our communications were privileged, that they were sealed, or the cell that some of these letters that they are going to use as evidence uh, was raided illegally in some way. So please throw out this evidence of him writing about the case." You know, and so whatever motions get filed and accepted, they really have the power to shape the rest of the trial. So I'm going to try my best to be there. And that is all we're going to know about this trial for the next 3 months. And this trial, seriously, is the most stutter-stepped trial that I have ever followed, really. It's like when you're a kid and you have some ramifications coming your way, and the adult says, um, "Hey, I'm going to count to three. All right, one, two, two and a half, 2 3/4, 2 7/8." It's that deal where I'm like, "Come on, let's just go already." Everybody wants to see the end of this. Well, I will check in with you all on this trial again in 3 months. September 10th, 1 p.m. We'll have to eat wings at Roosters for lunch before we go. So that's the place to be.